In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks Online. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to remove a customer from your active customer list without affecting your existing records and reports. Let's start from your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Look for the option labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps everything related to your customers, products, and invoices. Once you're in the Sales section, you'll see several tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Customers. This opens your full customer list. Take a moment to scan through this list and locate the customer you want to remove from your active list. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of customers, it might be faster to use the search bar at the top. Type in the customer's name, and QuickBooks will narrow down the results for you. After you found the customer, we're going to make them inactive. In QuickBooks Online, deleting a customer is essentially the same as making them inactive. This keeps your historical transactions intact, but removes the customer from your active lists so you don't accidentally use them in new transactions. Click directly on the customer's name to open their profile. This brings up a page with their contact details, transaction history, and any other information associated with that customer. At the top right of the customer profile, you'll see an Edit button. Right next to that, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click on that drop-down arrow to reveal a few additional options. From this list, select Make Inactive. When you choose this, QuickBooks will show a confirmation message. This is just to make sure you understand that the customer will no longer appear in your active list, but any existing invoices, payments, or reports tied to them will remain in place for your records. To complete the process, click Yes, Make Inactive. Once you confirm, the customer will be removed from your active customer list. If you go back to the Customers tab and don't see them there anymore, that means the change has been applied successfully. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete, or more accurately, make a customer inactive in QuickBooks Online, helping you keep your customer list clean and up to date.